In 2024, scientists mapped underwater canyons deeper than the Grand Canyon, teeming with ancient coral. Off Newfoundland's coast, coral reefs older than human civilization rise 3,000 meters below the surface. For centuries, fishing trawlers worked the Grand Banks without knowing what lay beneath. The continental shelf off Newfoundland and Labrador drops abruptly into a network of submarine canyons, some carved during the last ice age, others shaped by ancient underwater landslides. Until 2010, no government survey had systematically mapped the region's deepest trenches. Fishermen reported snagging gear on mysterious underwater ridges. Occasional research dives brought up fragments of coral, but no one knew the scale. The seafloor remained a blank grid square on navigation charts, marked only with depth soundings from the 1960s. Then, in 2015, Canada committed funding to map its entire ocean territory. Between 2016 and 2024, ocean mapping groups deployed autonomous underwater vehicles, equipped with multi-beam sonar, across 280,000 square kilometers of Atlantic seabed. The resolution was unprecedented, 1-meter grids revealing canyon walls, ridgelines, and towering biological structures. But the discovery carried an immediate problem. When researchers overlaid fishing activity data onto the new maps, the images revealed decades of unintentional destruction. Yet the closures came centuries too late for some habitats. Today, the intact coral gardens off Labrador remain among the least studied ecosystems on Earth. Off Newfoundland's coast, coral reefs older than human civilization still rise from the dark, but only in the zones we stopped dragging nets across in time. The canyons we didn't know existed are now the reefs we can't afford to lose. Subscribe to @WhizBros for the hidden worlds we're only beginning to map, and watch next week's profile of the Antarctic lake that hasn't seen sunlight in 15 million years. Subscribe to @WhizBros for hidden worlds.